this is gonna be a great time to go camping. But it's getting late, so let's take a nice rest on the spot. Okay. Ugh. Arthur. Whoa. Man, I need some rest. Alright. Good night, everyone. Night. Arthur? What the? What was that? How did I do? Sound like some kind of scary, evil laugh. Oh no, Luigi. Oh man. I don't know. What was that? Darcy. Oh. Darcy. Hold on. Be safe. Darcy. Darcy? 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 What the? Did you hear that? Yeah, I did. Sounds like something killed Yoshi. Oh my god! Whoa, what? Someone killed Yoshi? Yes. Whoa. Total shock. Oh man. What now? I don't know. But I'm gonna go look for some help. Wait. What? Oh, nothing. Don't worry, I'll be right back. Right. Be safe. I will. Hello? Anybody? I need help. Hello? Where is everyone? What? Ah! Mamma mia! Oh, mamma mia! Oh. Oh my god. So they killed my brother! Oh man. Oh no. What is going on? I don't know, Luigi, but I wish my 3 brothers are here. Yeah. Oh man. Okay. I'm gonna go find some. Oh, I know. I'm gonna go find the mushrooms to fight the whoever is attacking our friends. Oh, good idea, Luigi. Thank you. I'll be right back. Be safe. Or I mean, stay right here and be safe. Don't worry, Luigi. I'm a ninja. Alright. Alright. Now where are those mushrooms? Wait, I could have sworn I put them right there. Okay, where are they? Maybe right there. No, I can't find it. No, not me. Oh no. That thing killed Luigi. That means I'm the only one. Oh, right. Whoever's killing my friends, show yourself. What? What the heck?
I know how it's all gonna end. It's just a rerun. A rerun of my favorite episode. It's a game of cat and mouse. You're the mouse. And you're gonna run and scream There's always parts being cut off, entrails being yanked from stomachs, bones being shattered to dust. Now, you try to hide, but I am gonna get ya. Yes, I'm gonna get you good. Why, just last night, I played the game with a little girl. She thought I was so cute. She tried to pet me, but I may have bitten her hand off. And she ran.
Okay, you talk too much. Come over here. Alright, come over here. Mickey Mouse knockoff. Whoa. Ow! Alright. You had your tail on my shell. Ow. Oh. No, boys, no. Whoa. Are you alright? Whoa, Deadpool. You came? Yeah. I didn't want you to die, because you're my favorite character in Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Well, it's good to have you back. Yeah, you too. Oh. Did you slice that thing's throat? No, I just put it to sleep. Oh. With your katana? Oh, yeah. Oh, you did the same thing to Russell, also known as Fire Fist, from Deadpool 2. Yeah. So what do we do with that thing? Well, it did came out of a ginormous TV. TV? Yeah, it's super enormous. Oh. So that thing popped out? Yeah. Oh. So, let's take that thing back to where it belongs. Okay. I'm gonna live with this thing. Okay. Man, that thing's heavier than it looks. Yeah. Okay. There's the TV. Wow, this is a huge stag TV. And it's super loud. Yeah. So, all we have to do is throw this thing into the TV. Because that's where it came from. Okay? So, on 3. 1, 2, 3! Whoa. Hey, we did it. Yeah, we did. Ah, sweet. Cowabunga. Yeah, cowabunga it is. Wanna grab some pizza? Sure, let's go. Alright.